Hello and welcome to the Web Presence class for Helpless Demo. Here I'll show you how this class will get you a powerful website easily and cost effectively with deep coaching and simple instruction. Each class has 6 people max, which means you won't find yourself wanting for help from the instructor. That's neat. Also, each attendee will get a copy of the manual, like this. The manual contains step-by-step instructions for all the processes involved in the class. If you forget how we did something, you just open the manual and look it up. As you can see, there is a high level of detail. Like we do with our clients, I want to foster independence in every class attendee. There are many paths to getting a website. I believe this class is the best balance of cost, time commitment, and power for promoting your practice online. We use a software suite called WordPress, which is not a product you buy or a service you subscribe to. Rather, it's a free resource developed by thousands of volunteers that is and always will be free. WordPress websites are attractive and powerful. They give you the ability to use a wide variety of design styles without sacrificing power. Here we have the example website I use in the class. You can see the basic brochure elements. It's got text and pictures and such. And scroll down, you can see a nice powerful Google map, including the ability to get driving directions. WordPress also automatically provides features for core website needs, such as menus. Take a look. Here I move my mouse over the menu items. There's a little drop-down menu. And here we can see a nice feature that's useful to therapists. Click on the Forms page. On this page, I'm providing my intake forms for people to download and fill out and bring to sessions. Here, I'll show you an example. Just click Intake Form under Individuals. Starts to download the file. I say Open with Preview. That's a Macintosh program. Here it is, opens up. There's my intake form right there. All your editing can be done right in your web browser. This means you can do it anywhere you have an internet connection, like checking your email. So I have a bookmark for getting to my administrative pages here. Click on that. I log in. My browser remembers my password, so I log in. And voila, here I am at my administrative dashboard. Now, don't be intimidated by all the features you see here. Editing the pages is actually really easy. I'll just use my other bookmark to go back to the front page. And you'll see up here this bar. This bar only appears for you and only when you are logged into your administrative pages. This makes it easy to edit things. So let's say you want to add text on your front page about a new support group you're doing. Let's edit the front page and put an announcement about the group. So we click this, Edit Page. There we are. Editing the web page is similar to using a word processor. Up top, we have the title here. Below that, we have the actual spot where you edit the web page content. You can see that the text here looks very much like it does on the front page. And also, there's an array of buttons, many of which can be found in a word processing program. So like a word processor, if I want to make some text bold, I highlight it and click bold. There it is. If I want to unbold it, unclick bold. If I want to make it centered and bright green, and yeah, we're making it bright green, and maybe even like 24-point font, yeah, that's great, right? I can do that. Let's add the info about that group. You can click in the editing window, make a little header. Let's call it Unspecified Support Group. And we can make this a header up here, like heading 3. It's a little smaller. There we are. It's a header now. And that we just type our text. This support group will support you through all your support needs. It's unspecified, right? Okay, so let's see what that looks like. Over here, we click the preview button. Preview comes up. Let's take a look at it. There it is. There's our front page with that extra information about the support group added. Easy enough, right? So close the preview window. Now, we like it, so let's go ahead and save the changes, make it live, so that people who come and visit the site see that support group information. Click Update. And when it's done, voila, it's saved. We can click here to view the page. It takes us back to the front page. This is the actual live front page with the new information about the support group. It's that easy. As you can see, editing a page in WordPress is only a few steps removed from using a word processor. But in the class, you'll get direct coaching from me while you do it. So how about that other stuff, like those drop-down menus, the picture of me on the side? How did I get those intake forms up there anyways? And very importantly, how do I get my site to rank highly in Google? Well, all of these topics and a lot more will get covered in the class. Other than my fees for the class, your costs are minimal. You need about $10 a month for a web hosting service and about $10 a year for a domain name. The domain name is your web address, basically. Services like Vistaprint and TherapySites.com charge anywhere from $25 to $65 a month, depending on what kind of services you sign up for. Now, there's definitely value in those services. There's a much faster startup time with things like Vistaprint, TherapySites.com, Yahoo Site Builder. They can be quite easy to use. However, they don't provide the kind of power that WordPress does. Now, these days, having a good web presence is becoming more and more essential for clinicians, and I really think that having a good balance of cost and power and time commitment is a good way to go. I honestly think my class is the best way of balancing those three things. So if you're interested, go take a look at the course description, find a time that works for you, and get registered. I'll see you there.